미쳤다. 물이 좀 더 따뜻했으면 좋겠는데 이게 물이 뜨겁지 않네. 그냥 40도는 안 넘고 이제 따뜻한 스파를 원하시면 이런 깊은 온천보다는 진짜 돈 내고 들어가는 그런 데를 가야 될 것 같아요. 점심 먹으러 왔습니다. 와, 너무 시원하다. 대박이다. 와.
프라이랑 같이 나오네? 네, 저거 저쪽으로 나온다. 우와.
아.
와, 근데 이거 어떻게 먹는 거? 다 부푼데?
아, 배불.
뭐야? 이 코스트.
아까 인사했어. 매직이래, 매직.
Will use her phone to scan the code and watch the magic AR unfold. 뭐가 있나 보다.
귀찮지?
어머 근데
야, 이거
왜?
꽤 흔들리는데?
흔들려.
어.
오, 재밌어.
아, 이런 느낌이래. Touch this bark.
되게 촉촉하다. 그죠?
얘가 되게 촉촉해, 얘가.
그렇네. 물을 먹으면 약간 되게 스펀지 같은데? 코스타 레드 바. 이 레드우드라는 그게 있나 보네.
What's your next? Yeah.
Night market?
Night market?
Yeah.
Night market.
Thursday?
Only Thursday? Really?
Today is Thursday? 아, today Thursday?
Today is Thursday.
이제 여행자끼리 공유하는 게 크다.
우리 다 이거 하면은 다 여행자끼리.
Let there be light. Let there be light. 그게 뭐야? 노래 있어?
Let there be love이다.
Be light.
1995 when David started to spend
오, 수능 절대평가 1등급의 지금 스피킹 실력을 보고
Yeah.
계십니다.
Do you know Korean SAT?
Follow me. 잡지 않아도 넘어지지 않아요. 왕 풀방울. 맨날 평소에 보던 풀방울이 이 정도 크기인데 5배는 큽니다. 얘는 10배. 약간 어지러워지기 시작했어. Are you on vacation?
I have working holiday visa,
Oh, really?
but I need to go back to my home. I'm from Taiwan, and I need
Oh,
to go back to Taiwan because I'm student there. So
yeah.
I just stay summer vacation last 2 to 3 weeks. Months, not weeks. 2 to 3 months.
Oh,
Learn English.
to learn English?
Language school here in Auckland.
Ah, you was in language school in Auckland?
Yeah.
아, 아주 무서워하는구만. 이거 봐봐. Oh, it's very interesting something. Monumental trees, the world's tallest native trees. Anyway,
Do you know read? We're like trying to study English.
yeah, Korea.
So
Ginkgo? What is that?
진코 은행나무.
Ginkgo is
yellow.
Ginkgo is 은행나무 in Korean. Ginkgo. The Ginkgo tree at the Buddhist temple of 영문사. 영문사 is a temple name in Korea. The most covered trunk branches up into 3 sections and reaches a height of about 4 as
River in the Circassian National Reserve, Russia. Do you know read?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay, China
Meranti?
China's tallest tree grows in the typical rainforest in
징션바나?
where?
시샹바나. 시샹. I don't know.
Okay. The China
메란티?
Meranti grows 80 meter tall. Is the giant of the. I have been so.
Oh really?
Yeah, like 50 years ago.
15 years ago, wait, right?
No, maybe 10.
You were so child.
Senior high school. I go with my mom
Mm.
and eat a lot of delicious
Oh,
food.
Oh
I like kimchi.
Oh really? Oh
my god.
Tteokbokki.
떡볶이?
떡볶이.
Oh, rice cake, the red sauce, right?
Yeah, and the barbecue.
Korean barbecue, like 삼겹살?
Yeah, maybe you're Korean.
Yeah, you are Korean.
Yeah.
The pork.
Oh right, pork belly.
Wow.
Pork belly have to be eaten with kimchi.
Yeah.
Like
Grilled kimchi?
grilled kimchi with grilled onion and mushroom.
I'm hungry.
Oh. At night, the light is coming out. The light is turned on.
He's saying like documentary.
Yeah, I am YouTuber.
I can follow you.
You're gonna be my 81st subscribers. And that's me.
This one?
I'm the
81.
81. You're 81. Oh, thank you so much. Do you wanna read it?
No.
I wanna read it.
Okay.
New Zealand's native forest. Before people. 아름답다. Beautiful. Beautiful life. Do you know goblin?
Oh, goblin.
Tokebi.
도깨비.
I saw twice.
Twice.
Oh, me too. I saw that. Yeah, twice too.
You saw
Yeah.
it twice.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of. Yeah, so it's my life drama. My best drama.
No.
Yeah,
I love you.
the giant. 아, 이게 나무 그거야?
나무
트리? 나이트 마켓에 왔습니다. See? Churros.
오 churros.
How about having look around first?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should see. We have a lot of options.
How about you guys?
What?
The roommate.
Roommate? Who? 아. Hi. 아 근데 우리가 약간 베스트 시기, 베스트 시기, I think. Oh, looks like.
It's really soft. I can buy. Isn't it fancy? I like the design, but like
This is a home protector style. Do you know home protector?
home protect.
Home protector.
The job is home protector. Just
Yeah,
staying
yeah.
at home and no job. And we say home protector, like in a good meaning. If no job, it's just really frustrating. Yeah. It's really good.
감성.
I don't know.
파타이. 파타이가 저거구나. 몰랐어.
Like 볶음, fried it. Hi.
Hello. Can I please have a churros, please?
Churros? What sauces you like? Caramel, chocolate, both?
Yeah, chocolate, please.
Just chocolate
Sorry, chocolate and
and caramel.
caramel. Just chocolate, please.
Just chocolate.
Yeah.
Would you like some cream?
Cream? Yeah, please.
They won't realise like what.
I will buy something new, different, as well.
Oh yeah.
With fried
Is it
rice.
pork? Pork? Okay. I will buy some. Hello. Can I please have a one pad thai? And this name is spring roll.
Yes.
Can you please cut three slices? Yeah.
Spring roll.
Yeah. We grab the table.
Oh,
Yes.
so you gonna find me?
Yeah. I was looking for you.
I need to wait.
Yeah. Okay. What did you order? What did you order? Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You bought it?
Yeah. What is that? Wow, amazing. I think it will take time. So how about going first? You
Okay,
can. And
I
do you know the
Dessert?
table in front of the dessert?
Okay, I know.
Okay, yeah. And she will be sitting in the table.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I will be there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I wanna.
내려고?
Yeah. I want it just.
It's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, and he is very childish.
Sorry? childish. 와, 봄 미쳤다. So perfect day. Perfect day.
Yeah. From the morning? From morning to night market? We didn't know. You let us know.
Yeah, actually.
We are.
Wow, we
We did a
finished
great
it.
job.
We finished it. Oh my god.